What's up mga ka-YT? So for today's video, ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman diba? Medyo jogging time. So I'm with my brother. Ayun siya. Ayan. So tatakbo kami ngayon. Wala lang, papawis lang. So later on, may challenge kaming gagawin. So abangan nyo na lang. Arat na!
Sobrang lalim po niyan. At ang pinakamaganda po sa part na ito ay makakita kayo ng slide. Ito po yun. Yan. Tapos so, diretso papunta kayo dito. Yun. Ito po yung literal na pupulutin ko sa kakuhan. YT si
Tawag natin.
Anay. Tulay. Pag tawagin mo ito yung black and white. Black and white bridge. Dalawa pa lang umayaw na.
Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kami kayabang.
Yabang lang.
Yes.
Bali ka na.
Sana ang binabalikan. Alam nyo ba guys, maraming lupain yung kuya ko. Kaso lang yung lupa, nasa kuko niya.
Tsaka nasa paso.
Si mama, maraming lupain talaga. Nakita nyo naman sa vlog ko yung prenang ko siya ng halaman parang. Halos yung bombahe namin, nalagyan na ng halaman. Ewan ko ba kung anong logic ng mga nanay natin kung bakit ang hilig nila sa halaman.
Di, alam mo kung bakit.
Ano?
Kasi, kung ang bahay mo ay gusto mo ng mala nature ang datingan,
Ayun nga.
lagyan mo ng halaman. At kung mas pina-extreme pa na nature, lagyan mo mga unggoy.
May unggoy na naman eh. Ako, isa. O, ikaw, dalawa. Pag umuwi ka.
Eh di, super nature na yon. Wow!
Gulat ka, no?
Gulat kayo, no? Nandito pa rin kami.
We are just walking and walking around. Like there's no tomorrow.
Say hi.
You know guys, I'm a first timer here in what you call this place, Bailen.
Bailin.
So it is my first time here, and oh my gosh, I'm so overwhelmed.
Where are you
because
from?
I'm from the Krusty Krab.
Krusty Krab.
Yes, and I'm working at Sapusumo.
What is your name at Krusty Krab?
My name is Patty.
Patty.
Yeah, Patty.
Patty.
Because my father is owner of the what you call that one? The restaurant,
Krusty Krab.
Krusty Krab. And the specialty there is what you call Krabby Patty. So that is why my name is Patty.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Patianak.
Patianak. And what is your profession?
My profession is what you call that? I'm a teacher, but I'm applying for Coast Guard.
Yes,
Yes.
that's true. It's really, really
How
true.
about you? What is your name?
My name is Reuben,
And
and
where are you from?
I'm from
I'm from.
I from Mangas Uno, Alfonso,
I
Cavite.
thought you are from Bailen.
From Bailen, and I marry girl
Yeah.
in Mangas.
That's
So
why
that's
you are
why
from,
I'm
Mangas
from
now.
Mangas now. So
Okay na. So alam nyo ba guys, ayan may papakita lang ako sa inyo. May nakita kaming butas dito at sinasabi nga nila na itong butas na to super magical.
ayan ho, ilubog nyo lang ang kamay nyo dyan.
Magkakapera na kayo. So yun.
Sige nga, subukan mo.
Try natin. Wala. May ilang
Walay.
ano yan.